NFL livery. Looks like he's gonna cross the bridge. Let me go. See what I can catch. Oh my god. Here it is. There it is. There it comes. Here it comes. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Canadian North. Oh yeah. Here comes another one. He's just gonna taxi, take off. Okay, let me go run to it. Can't believe I'm doing this. But, yeah. Discover's gonna come in a bit, so that will be a bigger surprise for you guys. So you can see some Dash 8s over there. Express, maybe an Avro. Here comes the Q400. Charlie Golf, Mr. Echo. There it is. Maybe, where's that NFL livery? Waiting for it. But it's probably behind the, yep, he's taxiing to the hold short. Here comes another one. If you guys can see that. KOM Asia is gonna taxi in a bit, so we're gonna see them for the second time. There's an Air Canada. Nice two Q400s right there. You should be taking off by now. Where's that guy at? Alright, he's just taxiing. Oh, I see I see him. I see. Oh, that's Celebrity Cruises. Oh, yeah, that livery. That livery. If you can see in the back, there's an Air Canada 787. And there's this Celebrity Cruises near the jet engine. So it's gonna come here, and also the KOM Asia is gonna be there in just a bit. Just waiting for this guy to take off. Oh my god, this guy is so slow. He is so slow. This is his engine. Let me see that. Let me see that. Okay, so it's gonna be here in a bit. Oh, there's just a taxi, or is this taking off? So we're gonna wait for him to take off. He's full power now. Full power. 100%. Take a video of that. Yep, you might see him, guys. Let's check him out. Yep, there he is. And V1, rotate. You're up. Sorry, I'm a bit late, but there he is, taking off. 2 special liveries in one day. Yay. There he is. He's gonna rotate now. V1. Come on, gear up. Gear up. Yeah, gear up. Yes, let's go. this is such a great start to season 2, and there's going to be 9 videos in total, like always, for each season. So here we should see, yeah, there he is, if you guys can see that. Yeah, there he is, and this will be a journey for our year today, year for these Planespottings. This is Unpainted Discoverer. Let's see if we can catch him on one of these photos. Yep, I can catch him. Yep, there he is. It's yeah. Oh yeah, you didn't see that better, but ooh, yeah. So it is unpainted. Let me get a picture of this. Let's see if he's gonna cross the bridge or not. Probably not, but yeah. So this is a great start to our year. Just waiting for another one. Looks like we're catching another KOM Asia today. Oh, that is amazing. And I don't know if I can catch Porter, maybe. And just waiting for this guy to taxi. Looks like he's a bit, it looks like he took off anyways, but I don't care really about Q400s. I care about the big plane, yeah. Kind of like the new Discoverer livery. And I'll show you it on the screen. Just give me a second. I hear something. Looks like a Canvas Air is coming here. Where's he at? Dude, come on. Oh, there it is. Canvas Air going to, I think, Medicine Hat. Yeah, it's definitely Medicine Hat. If you guys can hear that, that's an amazing sound. But just a Beechcraft, so I don't know if you guys really care about that. But waiting for that KOM to take off, and let's see where is he taking off? Well, there it is. There it is again. 737-700. I'm surprised they still even exist. Pretty much, it's amazing. There he is. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yes. Alright, there it is. Sorry I couldn't get a picture of taking off, guys, but there he is. He's putting his gear up now. KOM Asia. And I'll see if I can get another plane crossing the bridge. If I can.